So good morning. So we have to start with identities now. You have might have studied at a plus b the whole. What is a plus b the whole squared? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. What is a minus b the whole squared? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. What is a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into b a minus b is a squared minus b squared. What is x plus a into x plus b? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now another is there a plus b into c plus d. What is a plus b into c plus d? ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. So these are the identities you might have studied in the last year up to class 8. Now, I will solve some problem based on this. Suppose expand 2x plus 3y the whole square. What is it? 2x the whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y the whole square. So 4x squared plus 12xy plus 9y squared. Okay. Now another question. X by 5 minus y by 7 the whole square. So here what you have to apply? You apply the formula a minus b the whole square. So x by 5 the whole square minus 2 into x by 5 into y by 7 plus y by 7 the whole square. So x squared by 25 minus 2xy by 35 plus y squared by 49. This is the answer. Now another is 2a plus 7b into 2a minus 7b. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. What is it? A squared minus b squared. So what is it? 4a squared minus 49b squared. So this is the expansion problem. Now another question. You see 4a squared plus 12ab plus 9b squared. How to factorize it? Reverse way. So 4a squared you can write it as what? 2a the whole squared. 9b squared you can write it as what? 3b the whole squared. So what is in between? 2 into 2a into 3b. So what is it? 2a plus 3b the whole square. So if you factorization means like this 2a plus 3b into 2a plus 3b. This is the way you have to factorize. Another question. 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. So what you have to do here? 4x squared is what actually? 2x the whole squared. Last one is 1 square. So in between it is 2 into 2x into 1. So this is what? 2x minus 1 the whole square. What is 2x minus 1 the whole square? 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. This is the answer. Now another. 25x squared minus 9y squared. So 25x squared what you have to write 5x the whole square. 9y squared what have to write 3y the whole square. So this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So 5x plus 3y into 5x minus 3y. So this is factorization problem. Now another 98a squared minus 50b squared. So here 98 is in the previous problem 25x squared is a perfect square, 9y squared is a perfect square. But here 98 is not a perfect square, 50 is not a perfect square. But if you take 2 outside, then what you are getting? 49a squared minus 25b squared. So 2 into 49a squared, how to write? 7a the whole square minus 5b the whole square. So this is of the form 7a plus 5b into 7a minus 5b. This is the answer. Now, you have to apply these identities for finding out product. Suppose 102 into 102. So how to write? 100 plus 2 the whole square. What is 100 plus 2 the whole square? 100 squared plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 squared. So 100 squared is what? 10,000 plus 400 plus 4. And find out the answer. Right. Another, you see 48 into 48. 48 into 48, how to write? 48 square. 48 squared is what actually? 50 minus 2 the whole square. 50 squared minus 2 into 50 into 2 plus 2 squared. 50 squared is 2500 minus 2 into 2 4. 4 into 50, 200 plus 4. So 2504 minus 200. Find out the answer. Now another, using identity only. 102 into 98. 102 how to write? 100 plus 2. 98 how to write? 100 minus 2. So this is of the form 100 squared minus 2 squared. So 10,000 minus 4. Find out the answer. Next step. 103 into 107. So here which identity we are using? X plus a into x plus b. So 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. What is 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 100 squared plus this sort of form x plus a into x plus b. X squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. So 10,000 plus 3 plus 7, 10. So 1000 plus 21. Then find out the answer. So this is the way we have to factorize or finding out the product using identity. So what are the identities we have studied so far? A plus b the whole squared. Now a minus b the whole squared. Now a plus b into a minus b. Now x plus a into x plus b. Another is a plus b into c plus d. These are the identities we have studied. Now, in the textbook, page number 48, exercise 2.5, question number 1, 2, 3. Question number 1 also 5 questions are there. Question number 2 also some 3 questions are there. And question number 3, 3 questions are. So this question, this is homework for you. So these are the identities you have studied in the last year. So it is very easy. Now in this year we will study some more identity that I will discuss later on.